Yo, what's up, guys? I know most of you are coming from that Instagram link, and actually, I want to say something to you. This is a very long journey. This is going to be about many things. It is not just about these tricks and tips. We are just going to make a lot of startups. We are going to make a lot of money. We are going to learn a lot of great things. We are going to do some things that are really impactful, innovative, and a lot of stuff. And in that, one of the guy that is helping us is known as Claude Code. Yo, yeah, you can see like I'm using Claude Code and I use it like all the time, and like it is the best tool out there. Like if I say it is the best tool out there to do anything related to coding, and let I take you to the screen where you have to come, and you have to come to a browser, any browser like Google Chrome, Edge, any browser. You have to paste the link that you are getting in the description. This will be the link that you will be getting in the description. And I want to say you guys that if you are not going from this link, if you are just going here and searching for agent router, it is not going to get you credits, as it is it is sort of thing that works on referral thing. Like I'm giving you this link, then if you just enter, then only you are going to get the credits. And after coming to this link, you just have to click on continue with GitHub. After clicking continue of GitHub, you must have a GitHub account. And when you will continue with GitHub, it will redirect you to the page where you will be authorized with GitHub. Right now, in this account, there is some problem and there is some server problems right now going on. And when you will like go with GitHub, you will be redirected to this dashboard page. When you will be redirected to this dashboard page, on the initial phase, you will be seeing 0 rupees. So don't take like that seriously. It will show 0 rupees. There are some server errors. And then after like 5 minutes, it is going to show you $175. And as you can see on my balance, I am actually using this key also. So what you will have to do is come in the API key token section, and then you will just have to click on create token. Here you will have to name anything, and here you will select never expire. You can select an expiry if you want, but I will suggest you to select this option. Then quantity will be 1, and here you must select this unlimited quota. If you wanna give some quota to this, if you are providing it to somebody else, then you can provide the quota. But actually we are using unlimited quota. Here you just have to take this thing and you just have to click on submit. When you will click on submit, this type of key will be generated. You just have to copy this key, and then what you will have to do is agent router is, you just have to come to this documentation page. I will provide all the things in the description, but for some of the technical developer guys out there, I wanna like, let me take you to the anti-gravity. You just have to open anti-gravity. Like anti-gravity, you must know. If you don't know anti-gravity, I will tell you what is anti-gravity. And when you are going to come to anti-gravity, it is going to take some time to load. And here you can log in with a Google account. It is totally free. Here you just have to come to a new conversation, and you just have to say like set up this key with this model, and I'm going to delete this key. So like don't try to choose this key. I'm going to delete it, and just when you will say like set up this key, it will set up it automatically, and this will be the base URL. You can just say like use this base URL, and you will like let me take you to the screen. And the models that you will get are 3 models. There will be Opus 5. Let me make myself some big. Okay. There will be Opus 5, there will be Opus 4.8, and there will be GPT 5.6 Soul. Opus 5 is really a great model, and like $175 means like more than 15,000 rupees. It is just crazy. Like you can just copy this link and log in it into multiple accounts, and then it will work for you like unlimited. This is crazy. And I have some more ideas also. Like you can see here, we will also set up Kiro startup. We will also set up Google startup. We will also set up Microsoft for startups. So this is going to be a long journey. We are going to do a lot of fun. So you can just follow the Instagram page, subscribe to this channel, and just remember my name. Just remember my name, Bhavya Jain. I'm going to be very big. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.